welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing really well. Today I'm back with another hairstyle tutorial. Now I've seen this hairstyle on Sophie Hannah's Instagram. I think it might have been last week. I saw it and I just thought it looked really cute and it looks really easy to create. So I'm going to try it out here today. So if you'd like to see this hair tutorial, then just keep watching. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I feel like this is such a cute little hairstyle and it was so easy to do. You could actually add more of these in if you wanted them to actually be smaller, but I quite like the messy look of it. I feel like it's like the perfect summer hairstyle. I will link Sophie's video down below just so you could go check hers out also, because that is where I got this idea from. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more videos from me. Thanks for watching.